Few tops from Savannah right here. Basic tops, but it should also look cute. इतना ज़्यादा pretty लगता है. It's not just for college, but these are like modest tops, so you can also wear them to your office and college. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. It's me Mansha and I'm back with another video. So this is a Savannah modest tops haul. So March almost aa gaya hai and it has already started to feel so hot. So I really wanted to make a summer tops haul that also looks cute, but these are like modest tops, so you can also wear them to your office and college. So yeah, that was the main point of this video, and I have few tops from Savannah right here. So let's quickly start with the haul. So the first top is this pink color full sleeve top. This is a very basic top, but I really love the bubblegum pink shade. Also this has like very flared sleeves, so I really like it. And as I said, it's very basic, but it still looks very cute because of the color. And it's also crop top. The length of the top is crop, but it's not very crop. It's like a decent length that you can wear to your office and college, so I really like it. You can even style this with like jeans, pants. I think it will look great with like maxi skirts also. So it's a great option if you are looking for like basic tops, but it should also look cute. Next is this blue floral top. This again has like full sleeves, and also this has like this detailing going on the neck area. I don't know how to explain this, but you can clearly see in the try on also, and it looks really cute. It's a very pretty white floral top, but the prints make it look extra cute, and the print of this one also is super cute. That's why I really like it. And also I'm wearing it with the rug jeans, but आप इसको बहुत तरीके से style कर सकते हो because the base of the top is like white only, so you can style this with different like trousers and maxi skirts. You can definitely experiment with such cute prints. Also the length of this top is again like quite decent. It's not too long, not too short. It's just perfect. Next again is a printed top, but this one is like a sheer top. So I really like this one. This looks so different, and somehow मुझे orange and black का combination बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. Plus I really like the print of the sun, moon, so it looks really aesthetic. I really liked it. And जब मैंने ये लिया था, I styled it with like a basic blue jeans, but I think it will look great with a beige linen pant, and also with a white pant, or you can just style it with literally anything because this is printed, so you can style a very basic trouser with this and it will look so cute and very aesthetic. मुझे इतना ज़्यादा pretty लगता है. It's not just for college, but even अगर आप कोई beach vacation plan कर रहे हो, you can definitely get this one because this will look so pretty in pictures. Because this is a sheer top, you can just wear like a black tube top inside or like a noodle strap cami, and it will look really nice. And because this is a sheer top, so it's very comfortable and breathable during summers also. Next is this very basic white top. Now this looks basic, but it has this cutout detailing going on, and I think it looks so pretty because of this cutout detailing. It just gives that cottage core vibes. And imagine this with like a maxi skirt, white maxi skirt, and a cute tote bag. इतना ही cute and Pinteresty लगेगा. You can just imagine the outfit and it will look so good. So yeah, it's a very basic white top, but आप इसको layer भी कर सकते हो किसी shirt के साथ or with a denim jacket. And काफ़ी ज़्यादा basic top है, but you can style this with so many different things. I think you can also wear it for a formal presentation at your like office or college. Also has this kind of detailing going on at the side of the top, so it's very basic, girly, but also very versatile. Okay, so next again is one of my favorite tops. It has this scoop neck and it's in this beautiful butter yellow shade. It was also available in two more shades, pink and black, but ये shade मुझे इतना ज़्यादा प्यारा लगा. It looks so pretty. It's a very pretty pastel yellow shade जो मेरे पास नहीं था, and मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लगा ये shade, so I got this one. And it looks so pretty, and you can see it has like super long sleeves. I love when full sleeve tops have like very very long sleeves and जब वो यहाँ तक आती हैं it looks so cute and I make sure whenever I am getting like a full sleeve top the sleeves are super long and इसमें भी ऐसा ही है, so I really like it. And this also has like super long sleeves. This is one of my favorite tops of all the tops that I showed you in today's haul. One is that orange and black one and second is this one. The other tops are also very cute, but if I have to pick one top it will be this one because this feels so soft also and so comfortable. So I really like this top in terms of everything. I just wore it with a blue jeans, but I'm sure you can again style this with so many different things to your college and also to your office. It has these white stripes going on the entire top. So yeah, that's it. I hope you found the video really helpful and I hope आपको अपने college या office के लिए थोड़े options मिले हो. And I'll leave all the links in the description box. I'll also add few links in case you're looking for more options. So I'll just add few links of the tops that I really like on Savannah and that are office and college appropriate. So आप वो भी check कर सकते हो. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel then please make sure to subscribe for more such videos. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave the handle on the screen and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.